Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to do dessert. It's going to be a rice pudding. It's easy but long. You're gonna need rice, lemon and orange peel, raisins, cinnamon stick, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and sugar. Let's pour enough water into the pan. Now put the lemon and orange peel and cinnamon stick there. And then put the rice. Don't worry, all ingredients below in my info box. At this point you are going to cook this just like a pasta, okay? This recipe requires you to constantly check it and stir. Check the rice, and when this is cooked, we are good. When this gets thick, we are going to throw the next ingredient. But don't forget to remove the lemon and orange peel and the cinnamon stick. Now it's time to pour your milk, condensed milk, and sugar right in there, and you mix it up, and you can see how the sugar melts into the mixture. Keep stirring, okay? Be patient. Now it's getting pretty thick, and it's time to add my raisins. When your rice pudding is nice and smooth, and when you pass the spatula and you can see the bottom clearly, your dessert is ready to serve. Now let's pour this in the small bowls, and finally take your cinnamon, lightly sprinkle on the top, and remember you can eat this cold or warm. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, follow me in my social media, and I have a cookie for my little dog. Her name is Candy, she's a coton de Tuliar, and she's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes. And she has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned, see you next time, bye bye!